Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off iPhone without a button. So if you want to turn off your iPhone without touching the physical button on your phone, here's a quick method on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on general, then scroll all the way down. Then you find an option where to shut your phone down. So you can do that to shut your phone down, or at the same time you can use the shortcut app on iPhone by creating an automation for you to shut down your phone. You can also create an automation for you to restart your phone, then that will shut your phone down for you without using the physical button. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.